हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आस्था स्टडी बी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे BEGS 185 के गेस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। डिस्कस द रोल प्लेड बाय लर्निंग मटेरियल इन द क्लासरूम. Course book, teaching materials or learning materials has an important role in learning teaching process. Textbooks or references help the teachers in planning his or her lesson in a systematic way. There is a well-planned course with printed material, audio and video lessons. There are video cassettes that provide visual reinforcement and explanation of academic points. Many TV programs and radio has been very long providing information to school learners. Some posters, charts, toy models are also essential materials for them to understand better. To conclude, any material, whether print or non-print, that provides a learning opportunity consistent with learners' attributes is considered learning material. नेक्स्ट अब पेज पे चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लर्नर्स ऑटोनॉमी क्या होता है, डिफाइन करो। लर्नर्स ऑटोनॉमी इज करेक्टराइज्ड बाय अ readiness to take charge of one's own learning in the service of one's needs and purposes. An autonomous learner is an active participant in the social processes of learning. Question 3, differentiate between reflection versus impulsiveness. पहले हम बात करते हैं इम्पल्सिवनेस की। सम पर्सन्स आर रिलेटिवली क्विक इन कमिंग टू अ कंक्लूजन और टेकिंग अ डिसीजन व्हेन फेस्ड विद एन ओपन एंडेड सिचुएशन। अदर्स, जो कि रिफ्लेक्शन वाले हैं, टेंड टू पॉज and reflect and consider various possibilities and fairly thoroughly before coming to a decision. Obviously, both styles have advantages and disadvantages. Next question पे चलते हैं। Divergent and converging thinking difference. This is a distinction between intelligence and creativity. कैसे? There is a difference between solving a particular problem directly in an expected or recommended manner and taking a fresh look at the nature of the problem itself. We associate intelligence problem solving with convergent as it seems to be one of narrowing down and gradually reaching a conclusion. The second, or the creativity type, is about raising questions about the problem itself. This process is a reframing and reformulating way, and it makes a creative way to reach a conclusion or solution. तो ये था डिफरेंस बिटवीन डाइवर्जेंट एंड कन्वर्जेंट थिंकिंग। अब हम नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं, नेक्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट पे। Traditional curriculum versus the present day curriculum. C part. The traditional concept of curriculum was the standard curriculum which was constructed by so-called experts जो पहले थे. The new approach to the curriculum involves the child as well. The child thus becomes an active co-creator of new knowledge. In a traditional curriculum, the given syllabus is covered by following a recommended method to be used by the learner. अब हम next question पे चलते हैं, question number 4 पे। Question number 4. A part. What is readiness? Readiness refers to the receptivity of a learner to learn new things in terms of ability, attitude, and interest. B part. Readiness is not a fixed characteristic of a child. Explain. The factor of low readiness, which may come to a different lessons and subjects, is not related to any basic or capacity of the learner. It is not fixed characteristic of the child. A student who shows lack of relevant knowledge in any area needs to be given specifically planned help as mentioned earlier. This will allow her or him to catch up with others. This is one of the most challenging areas in pedagogy. Interest and motivation are important. Next question. Question number 5. What is unreached learner? Unreached learner, deprived learner, disadvantaged और underprivileged learners को हम अनरीच्ड लर्नर्स कहते हैं, मतलब जिन तक हम पहुंच ना पाए, हमारी लर्निंग ना पहुंच पाए। द टर्म अनप्रिविलेज्ड और अनरीच्ड इज कॉल्ड अनरीच्ड लर्नर। डिसएडवांटेज सेक्शन ऑफ पीपल हु आर इकोनॉमिकली, सोशली एंड जियोग्राफिकली बैकवर्ड। बी पार्ट. व्हाट मेक्स देम अनडिप्राइव्ड? Poverty, discrimination and exploitation, geographical or locational disadvantage, cultural disadvantage. Characteristic of unprivileged learners: low cognitive abilities and poor linguistic abilities. Thank you. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and also you can join my Telegram channel Astha Study Bee IGNOU BSCG. I provide you all the notes, study material, guest papers assignments for BSc. Thank you.